Happy International Sticky Toffee Pudding Day and Veganuary Day 23. This dessert is perfect for winter and it feels like a hug from your mom. To get started, add 250 milliliters of chopped and pitted dates and 400 milliliters of vegan milk to a large saucepan over medium heat. Cook for 5 to 10 minutes or until the dates are very soft. After that is done, remove the saucepan from the heat. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together 375 milliliters of all-purpose flour, 125 milliliters of packed light brown sugar, 12 milliliters of baking powder, 2 milliliters of baking soda, a pinch of salt, and whisk that together. Add the date mixture until just combined. Here we go, we're pouring it in. Now add the batter into your tins. If using a muffin tin, bake for 20 minutes. For a square pan, bake for 35 minutes. The pudding is ready when a toothpick comes out clean. Remove pudding from the oven and place on a cooling rack. To slow you down from eating stuff that is hot, make the toffee sauce while that's cooling. To a large saucepan, add 375 milliliters of vegan cream, 180 milliliters of packed light brown sugar, 80 milliliters of vegan butter, and 5 milliliters of vanilla extract. Cook for 5 minutes on medium-low until the sugar has dissolved and the sauce turns golden brown. Once you've plated the pudding, drizzle with the remaining sauce and enjoy. This looks amazing. Let's try it. That is so good. It's amazing. It's one of the best desserts ever. And remember, together kids can save the world. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.